This is what we are making, a fully replicated combat system using C++. You're going to create a dedicated server and upload it to AWS and connect to it. As you can see here, I'm using my own custom notify class that I made in C++ to be able to customize my attacks. Like, for example, changing the pushback effect of this ability to a knockdown. It can be done just by changing the tag it applies to the enemy. This notify can be customized to add any functionality that you want, and I will be showing you how easy it is to do so. Now let's not waste any more time and just jump right in. First thing first, you'll need to have a compiled version of Unreal Engine. I'm just gonna quickly show you how to do so if you don't have it. First, go to epicgames.com and create an account if you don't have one. Next, go to GitHub.com and create an account also. Now, back to Epic Games, where you're going to log in. Then go to your account, and then to apps and accounts. Now you're going to connect your GitHub account to your Epic Games account. You should receive an email like this after a few minutes, and you can just join to have access to the Unreal Engine code. Next, we go to github.com/epicgames/Unreal Engine. Find Unreal Engine 5.4 release version, not 5.5 as the GameLift plugin is not compatible with it, and download it as a zip file. When it's done, extract it on your drive into a folder and make sure you have at least 200 gigabytes of free memory. Yeah, it's that heavy. Next, we go to download Visual Studio. Now, if later you're having issues compiling the Unreal Engine like I did, I would recommend that you download this version of Visual Studio instead, the 17.10.10, and get the professional version of it. Now when installing, you'll need the following: net.desktop development, desktop development with C++, and game development with C++. Bonus tip is, if you're still having issues compiling the engine later, you can also download this component. It's MSVC v143 and get the version that says 14.38-17.8. Then go to where you extracted the Unreal Engine files and run the Setup.bat file. Then after it's done, run the GenerateProjectFiles.bat. You should now have a UE5.sln file. Open it with Visual Studio. If you downloaded the additional component from earlier, you should go to Unreal Build Tool, then in Global, then open Build Configuration and add the following lines. I will put them in the description below. Next, right-click on the UE5 project and set it as Startup Project. Then right-click again on it and build it. Now this will take a while, so give it some time. When it's finally done, you can go to the Unreal folder, into binary Win64, and look for UnrealEditor.exe. Then create a shortcut if you want to access it. And voila! We can finally start coding.